Hey guys, what's up? Today is moving day, or technically it's the last of our moving day. We are officially moving out of our beautiful condo in Toronto, and I was thinking, what better than to film what the space looks like? Unfortunately, I did not have this idea while I was living here, but then I thought about it yesterday and I was like, you know what? Let me take a shower because I was disgusting from the move. And let me show you guys what a place looks like. Now this is a 1-bedroom plus den, which means that the second room generally is not big enough to be a bedroom. Normally they're really small. Some people use them as a storage space. Some people use them as a closet. Fortunately, we were lucky enough to get something a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna show you guys around the place. It is empty, so you guys have to kind of use your imagination while I show you around. And if you hear the echo, it's because there's no furniture here. Nothing! So I'm excited for my next step in life. This is officially my 16th move since 2009. So in the last 10 years, I have moved 16 different homes. So it's been a fun time, and hopefully as I get older, I maybe don't stop moving. I don't know, I love to travel, right? So let me show you guys around and I'll explain a little bit. Our apartment is just over 600 square feet. How big is it? 650? I think it's about 650 to 670 square feet. In 2019, an apartment or a condo like this runs you anywhere above $2,100 and can go up to about $2,250. The difference between generally an apartment and a condo is that a condo, each unit is individually owned, and a lot of condos have added facilities and amenities like a swimming pool or a hot tub or a jacuzzi or I don't know. What are those? Huh? Sauna. I said sauna. What are those things called? Squash court and stuff like that. Movie room, etc. Pool. There we go. So let me show you guys around, okay? So let's start the apartment tour. Did that make anyone dizzy? I'm so sorry. Look how white I am. Can you even see me anymore? It's because the ISO's turned up, sorry. There we go, I have color. Let me show you guys around the apartment, okay? So let's start from the entrance, okay? So let me turn up the light. So this right here is the door. So this is where you would come in from. You go, hello, and you'd walk in. Well, you wouldn't knock in your own apartment. Right behind me here is the den. This den actually is pretty big. I have a wide angle lens on. So this actually could fit a full queen size bed and had about a foot of space on one side. So we actually had hanging side tables. And then it actually has pretty high ceilings. Ta-da! And then once we turn here, we are going to go into the apartment. As soon as you go here, let's make a right and go into the bathroom. So this over here is the bathroom. Let me get really wide for you. So this over here is the bathroom, nice and bright, just enough room for a sink and me, yours truly. Then you've got the toilet and then a bathtub, a really nice shower. And also, one of the really good benefits of having a condo is your washer dryer are in the unit. Ta-da! So this is the dryer and this here is the washer, and it was included in the unit. So your rent, if you are renting a condo, does not include amenities. So your hydro, your internet, all that sort of stuff is an added cost that you have to cover. Sorry, there was like something on the light. Now we're gonna come out of the bathroom and we're gonna continue down this way. So this here is the kitchen, if you can see it. And then you have like a couple of shelves. We have the fridge, the cabinets, one of which is open. That was actually my tripod a second ago. And then here we have one small closet. So this could be a pantry or anything you want it to be. This actually is the bedroom over here. And then there is a closet. But most of you will recognize or might recognize this is the wall against which I did most of my filming. So this was actually my office. So I had a desk over here, I had the empty wall for filming, and then I had like a dresser over there, so I took some photos around here. So this was the bedroom, but in my case it was the office. Oh my god. There we go. So this was the office / bedroom. You guys, I'm struggling to get like the light right in this video because it's like really dark and really light. So as you can see all the way at the back there, there's like literally no light. So I had to like change my camera settings. Okay, last but not least, this here is the living room. Hence, this is where he lives. I'm kidding. This is the living room. And on this wall here is where we had a couch. So we had like one of those like big 5-seater couches. And then on this wall here, we had a TV. Okay, you know what? Hold on. Okay, so this was the living room, couch here. There's the kitchen back there. There's a dude over here. And then all the way through that little dark hole, there was the den, which we used as a bedroom, which is kind of nice because you can sleep in and it keeps all the light out. And then there over here, we have a small balcony, which was more than enough for us. So let me walk you through the entire apartment one more time. I hope you guys enjoyed that tour of our beautiful little apartment that we absolutely adored and loved. I know that living in Toronto is not a cheap thing. It's not in everyone's budget or lifestyle, but for those of you who are really contemplating it, I would seriously consider it and I would advise it. It is so great. It opens up so many doors and opportunities for you, and like, if you really want to make it work, I assure you that it is possible. It does seem crazy how much the rent is going up in Toronto, and there's like no rent control, and it's insane how much it's gone up in the last couple years. But at the end of the day, I will really miss this place. I will miss the city of Toronto, but on to the next. Thank you so much, you guys. Always remember, there's enough room for all of us to succeed, for all of us to live the life we want. Until next time, do you want to say it with me? Think strong.
Always.
Yeah, bye.